Hey, it's John with Sematext, and in this video, I want to talk about website speed. The speed of your website is a crucial component of your business's success. You'll want to monitor to make sure everybody's having a good time. There are no performance degradation or downtime. You'll start by setting up monitors from multiple locations to make sure you're providing the same service to all your users, regardless of where they access your website from. This is a very important and often overlooked step. Next up, you create alerts. These will tell you whenever there are any issues with your service. You'll be watching for key elements like your page load time, time to first byte, first and largest contentful paint, and the resources you are loading on the page. If there are any issues with your service, you want to make sure that you get notified before the users get to see them in production, and that you have enough information to go on to help you figure out where the issue originated and how to fix it. The error report has all the information you need in order to fix the issue as soon as possible. Sematext is easy to use and you get it set up in just 2 minutes. There's a free trial that you can use before you have to commit to anything, so go on and give it a go. You'll love it. Check out the video description for more information about the product, guides, tutorials, and other useful information. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.